Hey guys, it's Robert. Thanks for coming to the channel. I am crazy. It is like getting cold and windy outside right here in SoCal, and I'm just gonna hurry up and install the lights up there. Probably too bright, but I'm gonna change those cargo lights up there and also a third brake light using these Lasfit products. So if you haven't seen my previous videos, I've been changing the switchbacks in the front. Then I changed the front side markers to Lasfit. I actually have a sneak preview that I'll be doing reverse lights on here. I'm actually going to do the whole thing with Lasfit, and if you're interested in this kind of products or any of those other products, I have a link either up here or below in the description. You can click, and in the description or the comments I'm going to have the coupon code as well, so you can save a few bucks. So support the channel by going to those links as well. And I'm going to do a quick install. I'm going to put some more light on here. I have this light right here, so that should be pretty good. I'm going to actually turn this on real quick to show you how bright the cargo light and brake light is. So let's do that first before I forget. It's freezing, so you have to apologize. I get it unlocked. Now, it's pretty bright for what it is, and you can see how much cargo it lights up. But we're gonna make it brighter with LEDs. I don't know. So it looks like either a Torx or a flathead screwdriver. It goes at a certain angle. Interesting. So let's go with Torx so we won't strip it, but it looks like you can do also a flathead. T15. Ooh. T15. Let's see the flathead is. Oh, okay. Oh, so this is the rubber. Careful, it's on this side. Okay. There we go. Okay. So these pull out pretty quick. You just yank them pretty quick. Yeah, there's two kinds. T15 is just white light, and then the red is R. So we know they're outside. They're actually non-polarity. So let's snap in here. And then I'm gonna get the red. I have two, so I guess I have extra. So you can share amongst friends. And if you want, you can test it before you put everything back. So let's do that. Joanna, I'm almost done.
I'm not cold.
It's cold. Stay inside. I'm cold. No, Daddy's cold. If Daddy's cold, I know you're cold. Alright, I'm gonna put it too tight. You just want to snug it. Okay. Let's see the cargo. Oh man, I'm tired, cold. Alright, oh, that's big time brighter. As you can see, it's a lot brighter. You can see the brightness there. So, oh man. Is that pretty bright? That is pretty bright, huh? You can totally tell right here how much brighter it is. Definitely an improvement on brightness. Wow, that's amazingly bright. It's crazy. So yeah, if you're not gonna have a shell, or actually if you do, it'll light up the inside of your shell. So that's with my porch light. So you can imagine that. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I am freezing. I gotta go back in. If you're interested in this product, check the link here or here. Coupon code as well. Appreciate all the support. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm gonna go thaw out. Peace out.